Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing polynomial, right? So in a previous class we discussed exercise point 4. So today we will discuss in the same exercise the third main. So what is that third main? Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following case. So here we want to find out the value of k and x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. X minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. It means the remainder must be here 0. Is it clear? So here remainder is 0. So we want to find out the value of k. So we will find out here. So first write down if x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial then p of plus 1, x minus 1 means plus 1, opposite symbol, p of 1 must be 0, right? So it is a factor of given polynomial means the remainder must be 0. It is on a factor theorem it is, right? So first one they given here, what they given? P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k, right? So here we want to make here x is replaced by p of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k, right? So p of 1 must be 0 here, so I will take here 0 and 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k. So here write down p of 1 is equal to 0 by factor theorem, right? Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 is equal to 2 plus k. 2 comes in RHS at this become, then k is equal to minus 2. Is it clear? Therefore, the value of k is minus 2. Is it clear? So similarly, next problem is the second one. So that is, write down given polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. It is same. If x minus 1 is a factor of a given polynomial, then p of 1 must be 0, right? So therefore, p of 1 is equal to, so x is replaced by 1, they only given here, right? So 2 1 square plus k, x is replaced by 1 root 2, right? So 0 is equal to 1 square is a 1 into 2 is a 2 plus k plus root 2. Here write down p of 1 is equal to 0 by factor theorem, right? Then 2 comes this side, this become a minus 2. Then k is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Then k is equal to, take common, 2 plus root 2. Both are, right? Therefore, the value of k is minus 2 plus root 2. Well students, the third problem is there, p of x is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1, right? So here also x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. It means p of 1 is a 0. So if k of x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, then p of 1 must be 0 here, right? So third one we can solve here. Write down given polynomial p of x is equal to kx square root 2x plus 1, right? Then p of 1, x is replaced by 1, k 1 square minus root 2 1 plus 1. So p of 1 must be 0 because it is a factor of given polynomial. So 1 square is 1, k minus root 2 plus 1. So here because p of 1 is equal to 0 by factor theorem, or it is a factor of given polynomial. Then 2 comes this side become a positive, 1 comes this side become a minus. So k is equal to root 2 minus 1. So therefore the value of k is root 2 minus 1. Is it clear? So similarly, fourth one is there, p of x is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k, right? So first write down given polynomial, p of x is equal to kx square minus 3k plus k, right? So p of 1 is equal to 0, right? They are only given. So therefore p of 1 x is replaced by 1, k 1 square minus 3 1 plus k, right? So p of 0 is, p of 1 is a 0, so 1 square 1 k minus 3 plus k, so k plus k, 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2k is equal to plus 3 comes in RHS side, this becomes a plus, then k is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore the value of k is 3 by 2. This is all about. The next fourth main is factorization. So here we want to find out by factorization. It means splitting the method, middle term splitting, like that, right? So first question they given here, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So we want to find out here factorization. We want to make here factorization. We want to find out these factors, right? So here we can find the number such that p into q is equal to 12 into 1 is equal to 12, and p plus q is equal to this middle term minus 7. So here we want to find out these two factors. So when we make a two number multiplication, that time we want 12, and when we make add or subtraction, that time we want minus 7. So therefore they are p is equal to, see, 12 and 7, 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 7, so minus 4, and q is equal to minus 3. So minus 4 into minus 3, minus plus 12, minus into minus plus, but symbol will be minus, right? So then given equation write down here, 12x square, and we split that 7 is minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Is it clear? So in these two I will take a common, both sides is a x is there and also 4 is there. So 4x common, then remaining 3x. 3 into 4 12, x into x square. Is it clear? So here 4x goes outside, means minus 1 remaining. So in this term I will take only minus 1 common. So minus 1 outside means here remaining plus 3x, minus 1 comes outside. So here minus comes means minus 1, minus plus become, right? So in these two are common, take common 3x minus 1 and remaining 4x minus 1. These two are the factors. Write down here, 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1, 4x minus 1. It is a factors, right? So similarly next one, so what they given here, 2x square plus 7x plus 3, right? So we can find the number such that p into q is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and p plus q is equal to 7. They are so p is equal to, we can take, so 6 and 7, multiplication we want 6 and add or subtraction we want 7. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 1 7, right? 6 q is equal to 1, right? So write down given equation 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So this one we can rewrite 2x square, then this 7 we can write plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. So see 6x plus 1x becomes 7x. So we will split here, right? It is a splitting method. So in these two we will take common 2x. So 2x comes outside means x remaining. Here 2x comes outside means plus 3 remaining. 2x into 3 is 6x. 2x into x is 2x square. So plus in this I will take common plus 1 remaining x plus 3. So these two are a common, take outside. So x plus 3 and remaining 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So therefore 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3, 2x plus 1. It is a factorization. Then the third problem is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So here we want to multiplication want minus 36 and add or subtraction we want here 5. So we want to find out there's these two factors. So first write down here we can find two numbers such that p into q is equal to 6 into minus 6 is equal to minus 36, right? And p plus q is equal to 5. They are, so p is equal to 9, q is equal to minus 4. So here 9 into 4 is minus 36. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Why I take here minus 5 or 4 means smaller number minus 4, because when we make a subtraction we got bigger number backside symbol. So here we want plus 5, that's why I take here minus 4. Is it clear? So now write down 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So 6x square plus, I split this term is 9x minus 4x. So make this one, we will get 5, right? So minus 6. So in these two I will take a common 3x. 3x comes outside means 2x. 2 into 3 6, x into x, x square. So plus, so 3 goes 3. Is it clear? So in these two I will take minus 2. So remaining 2x plus 3. So 2 4x, 2 into 3 6, right? So in this these two are common, 2x plus 3 and remaining term 3x minus 2. So therefore 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Is it clear? So similarly fourth one, they given here 3x square minus x minus 4. So write down here we can find two numbers such that p into q is equal to 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12, right? P plus q is equal to minus 1. Nothing means minus 1. They are. So here we want minus 12 and minus 1. So 3 4s are 12, 3 minus 1, right? So here p is equal to minus 4, q is equal to 3. So here minus 12. Minus 4 into 3 is a minus 12. So make subtraction bigger number symbol minus 1. Is it clear? So write down given polynomial 3x plus x minus 4. Then 3x square. I split this term as a minus 4x plus 3x. So make minus 1x, right? Minus 4. So in these two term I will take only x common. So x remaining 3x minus 4, right? So in this term I will take 1 common. So 3x minus 4, right? So these two are the common. So take outside 3x minus 4, remaining term x plus 1. So therefore 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 4 x plus 1. Well students, the fifth main is also factorization, but here they given cubic polynomial. In the fourth main they given quadratic polynomial, and here they given cubic polynomial. So this one is also factorization. So here we want to find out factors. So first write down given polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, right? So I will make some modification or factors here, right? So this 2x square we can write minus x square minus x square. So minus x square become minus 2x square, right? And similarly we can write this x minus x is plus x minus 2x. So plus x minus 2x, make it, we got minus x, right? So plus 2. So this one we modified like this, and this two term is modified like this. Is it clear? So now here x cube it is. So in these two I will take a common x square. Both side is x square. So I will take common here x square. So x square remaining x minus 1. X square comes outside, minus 1. So in these two term I will take common x. So minus x I will take common minus x. So remaining term, so minus x goes outside means x, and minus x goes outside means minus 1. So in these two term I will take a common minus 2. So here we got x minus 1. See, these three are a common, take outside. So x minus 1. So remaining term x square minus x minus 2. So now it is a quadratic polynomial and factorize it. So here we want to multiplication minus 2, and add or subtract we want minus 1, right? So these factors minus 2 we want here minus 2 plus 1, right? So otherwise we want to find out p into q is minus 2. Otherwise write down p into q is minus 2. P plus q is minus 1. So p is equal to minus 2, q is equal to 1. Is it clear? So write down here x minus 1 in a bracket x square. This one we split as minus 2x plus 1x minus 2, right? So here x minus 1 as it is, and in these two take common x, so remaining x minus 2, and in these two take common plus 1, remaining x minus 2. Is it clear? So next term write down x minus 1 as it is. So in these two are a common, take outside, so remaining x plus 1. So x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. These are the factors. Is it clear? So similarly second one they given here x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, right? So this one we rewrite the equation 3x So this one we make a factors, or we made a modification here. Minus 5x square plus 2x square. So minus 5x square plus 2x square becoming 3x square, minus 3x square. And here, so 9x we make a modification, minus 10x plus x. So make a minus, and minus 5 as it is. Is it clear? So in these two I will take a common x. So remaining x minus 5. So in these two I will take a common plus 2x. So 2x goes outside, means x. 2x into x, 2x square. So here 2 goes outside, means 5. See here 2x into 5 is minus 10x. And in these two I take common 1, x minus 5. So these three are common. So take outside x minus 5, remaining, sorry, x square here, x square plus 2x plus 1, right? So it is a quadratic polynomial. We want here p into q is equal to 1, p plus q is equal to 2. So 1 1s are 1, 1 plus 2 is 1. So p is equal to 1, q is equal to 1. So write down x minus 5 in a bracket, x square plus x plus 1, right? 2x. So this one we split like this. Right, next x minus 5 as it is in a bracket. In these two take common x, so x plus 1, and here we take one common, x plus 1, right? So x minus 5 as it is. So in this term x plus 1 is a common, and remaining x plus 1. So x minus 5, x plus 1, x plus 1. It means x plus 1 whole square also right here. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5, x plus 1, x plus 1. So well student, the third problem is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So first write down given equation, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, right? So modify the given equation, x cube plus 12x 13x square we can write as x square plus 12x square, become a 13x square, right? So plus 32x square we can write 12x plus 20x, 12x plus 20x, 32x plus 20 as it is, right? So in these two term I will take a common x square, remaining term x plus 1. So x square goes outside, x square into x, x cube, x square into x, x square, right? So in these two term I will take 12x, so remaining x plus 1. So 12x square, 12x, plus in these two term I will take a common 20. So x plus 1. So 20x, 20, right? So these three are a common. So take outside x plus 1, remaining x square plus 12x plus 20. So here we want p into q is 20, p plus q is equal to 12. So 10 2s are 12, 10 plus 2 is 20. So p is equal to 10, q is equal to 2, right? So here x plus 1 in a bracket, x square, I will split this one, 10x plus 2x plus 20, right? So similarly x plus 1 as it is. So in these two term I will take a common x. So x comes outside means x plus 10. So in these two common, I will take common 2. So x plus 10. So 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 10 is 20. Is it clear? So we can write here x plus 1. So here we take x plus 10 is a common. So remaining x plus 2. Right? So what they given? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1, x plus 10, x plus 2. Right? So similarly, next question is, write down 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Right? So here we will modify 2y cube as it is. So this one we can write minus 2y square plus 3y square. So make here plus y square is the next. So this 2y we can write 3y plus 1. So we got minus y and minus 1 as it is. Is it clear? So in these two I will take common 2y square, remaining term y minus 1. So in these two term I will take common 3y. So 3y, remaining term y minus 1. So in this term I will take plus 1 common, y minus 1. So these three are the common. So take outside y minus 1. Remaining 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Right? So here p into q I want 2. P plus q we want here 3. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So p is equal to 2. Q is equal to 3. So here y minus 1, 2y square as it is, these 3 we can write plus 2y plus 1y. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and plus 1. Right? So here y minus 1 as it is. So in these two I will take 2y common. 2y common remaining y plus 1. And here I will take common 1. So y plus 1. So here y minus 1 as it is. So y plus 1 is a common. Y plus 1 is a common, remaining 2y plus 1. So 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to y minus 1, y plus 1, 2y plus 1. Well, students, then the homework question is that the factorize the following exponent. So first one, x square plus 9x plus 18, and second one x square minus 4x minus 12, and third one x square plus 9x plus 18, and fourth one x square minus 19x plus 78. These four are the homework. So solve it.